guys, today on the bench we have a very special 3D printed body and scaler. It is a Ford Transit Gen 1 on an MST CMX chassis. Let's have a look.
Let's go.
So as you can see here on the bench we have a very special hard body, or better said, it's a 3D printed body. It is a Ford Transit Gen 1 and it's owned by one of the Cesco RC team members, Eric, my brother. And the reason for this build was that, well, he has his own company, as you can see on here. It's called Filter. He wanted to build something that replicates his actual vehicle that he wants for his company. And so we looked for a Ford Transit body. Couldn't find a modern one, but I found this. This older model, and from there this build took off. So I 3D printed the body for him, and then he did all the rest of the build. So it's sitting on a MST chassis, MST CMX, and there's a CMX and a CFX. The CFX has the motor in the front and the CMX has the motor in the middle. It, as you can see, is quite something. This is his first build with a 3D printed body. In other episodes we're going to show you another one. It's already have seen some action, so it's been really used as a scaler. So I thought I would go over real quick what we did with it, or what he did with it, and what's on it, and what makes this a really cool build. So as you can see, this is not my normal set. We are for a weekend in Germany and Belgium driving over our scalers and crawlers. So I took the opportunity to film this and show you what you can do. So as said, it is on a MST CMX chassis. You use the Hobbywing 1080 on it. It's got a PowerHD 20 kilogram servo in it, and it's got the standard MST 540 35T motor in it. The wheels are 1.55 inch, and it's got RC 4-wheel drive tires, and those are the Mickey Thompson. And let me give a look. These are the Baya, and these are the Baya MT sets. So these are great scale looking tire. The interior, there was not a dashboard with it, so I found a dashboard that looked old and suitable for this. By the way guys, if you want to 3D print this body for yourself, you can buy this file. It's from 3D Sets, and I'll put a link down in the description for you guys so you can download it. I will put as much links as I can so if you want to replicate this well. Because this is supposed to look like his wheelwork truck, there's also a machine inside it. That's the machine he uses to clean the oil, the fire oil, and a vacuum cleaner, special vacuum cleaner. So just to give that the look that when you look through the window, that it shows that yeah, it's the way it's supposed to be. Okay, that's not quite clear, but there's a cat in it, and he used a Tamiya 4x4 bruiser driver. So on the bottom, of course, it needed a bit of weight down low. So there's rchp.de, and that's a store, a hobby store in Germany, and they sell these brass links. Furthermore, it's got lighting. If you watched my videos before, you have probably seen it a couple of times in one of the drive videos I had. One of the scale drive videos. So it's not quite new, but it's something else. It's pretty short. Yeah, and it's real fun to drive, and it's something different. Definitely something different. And looking at all the details on it, it's a very detailed body. It's not branded as a Ford, but you can see that this is a genuine Transit. The guy that sells these files cleverly left out the Ford logo and etc. Just, yeah, probably for licensing. So one of the reasons I wanted to show you that there are a lot of hard bodies available, but if you go the 3D printing way, then you have so many options for bodies, and you can really make something different. So it's time to see some running footage of it, so let's do that. Make sure that if you like this, thumbs up. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. Make sure to subscribe, and let's see this thing running. So if you want to see more of these kind of videos with showing off someone's car on the bands, maybe you want to see more of my own cars, let me know in the comments, and we'll do more videos like this. Thank you for watching, until the next time.